Hello students, let us continue trigonometric identity. Now we discuss trigonometric ratio of complementary angles. First we draw a right triangle ABC. Angle B is 90 degree. This is your angle A and this is your angle C. Here angle A plus angle C equal to 90 degree. So we write angle C equal to 90 degree minus A. Angle A. 90 degree minus angle A. So we say that angle C is 90 degree minus angle A. Now sin A. Sin A is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Sin A. This is your base, this is your perpendicular. Perpendicular upon hypotenuse. BC upon AC. This is your first equation. Now we find cos 90 minus A. This is your base. Cos theta. Base upon hypotenuse. Base BC upon hypotenuse AC. So we write BC upon AC. Cos theta equal to base upon hypotenuse. Theta is 90 minus A. This is your first equation, this is your second equation. Right hand side of both equations are equal. So comparing equation 1 and 2, we get sin A is equal to cos 90 minus A. Sin A is equal to cos 90 minus A. Similarly, you can prove that cos A equal to sin 90 minus A. Now, angle A plus angle C equal to 90 degree. Angle C equal to 90 degree minus angle A. This is your angle C. That is 90 minus A. This is your A. B at 90 degree. Now we find tan A. Tan A. This is your base. This is your perpendicular. Tan theta equal to perpendicular upon base. Perpendicular BC upon AB. BC upon AB. This is your equation third. Now cot 90 minus A. This is your base. This is your perpendicular. Base upon perpendicular. Cot theta equal to base upon perpendicular. BC upon AB. BC upon AB. Right hand side of both equations are equal. So comparing equation 3 and 4, we get tan A equal to cot 90 minus A. Now tan 90 minus A. This is your base. Tan theta perpendicular upon base. So we write AB upon BC. AB upon BC. Cot A. This is your base. This is your perpendicular. If angle A is base, this is your base. This is your perpendicular. Cot A equal to AB upon BC. Right side of both equations have equal. So left hand side also equal. We write cot A equal to tan 90 minus A. Now sec A. This is your base angle. So this is your base. Sec theta. Sec theta hypotenuse upon base. Hypotenuse AC upon AB. AC upon AB. This is equation 7. Now cosec 90 minus A. This is your base. This is your perpendicular. Cosec theta equal to hypotenuse upon base. AC upon AB. AC upon AB. Right side equal. So we can write sec A equal to cosec 90 minus A. Similarly, cosec A. This is your base. Cosec A hypotenuse upon perpendicular. AC upon BC. AC upon BC. Equation number 9. Sec 90 minus A. This is your base. Hypotenuse upon base. AC upon BC. AC upon BC. Right side equal. So left side are also equal. Now we again discuss sin 90 minus A equal to cos A. Cos 90 minus A equal to sin A. Tan 90 minus A equal to cot A. Cot 90 minus A equal to tan A. Sec 90 minus A equal to cosec A. Cosec 90 minus A equal to sec A. Now trigonometric identity, an equation is called an identity when it is true for all values of the variable involved. An equation involving trigonometric ratio of an angle is called trigonometric identity if it is true for all values of the angles involved. Cos square a plus sin square a equal to 1 such that 0 less than equal to a less than equal to 90. Second identity, sec square a minus tan square equal to 1 such that 0 less than equal to a less than 90 degree. Learn sec a tan a are not defined for a equal to 90 degree. Now third identity, cosec square a minus cot square a equal to 1 such that 0 less than a less than equal to 90 degree. Cosec a cot a are not defined for a equal to 0. Now applications of trigonometric ratio. If one of the trigonometric ratio of an acute angle is known as, the remaining trigonometric ratio of the angle can be easily determined. The value of sin a cos a never exceed 1, whereas the value of sec a cosec a is always greater than or equal to 1. Now we discuss height and distance. This is your ground and this is your horizontal line, and we see any object, so this is your line of sight, and this angle makes angle of elevation. Similarly, if we see object, so angle of elevation get. Angle of depression, a point of an object viewed is the angle found by line of sight with horizontal point is below level. The case we lower our head to look at the point being viewed. This is your angle of depression. Again repeat, the line of sight is the line drawn from the eye of an observer to the point in the object viewed by the observer. Angle of elevation of an object viewed is the angle found by the line of sight with the horizontal when it is above the horizontal level. That is when we raise our hand to look at the object. This is your position. Angle of depression of an object viewed is the angle found by the line sight with the horizontal when it is below the horizontal level when we lower our hand to look at the object. This is your position. The height and the length of the object or the distance between the two distant objects can be determined with the help of trigonometric ratio. This is the diagram of angle of elevation. If you see any object in the sky, this is your angle of depression if you see any object in the ground. Now again repeat, some trigonometric ratio have common value. Sin 0 equal to tan 0 equal to 0, cos 0 equal to sec 0 equal to 1, sin 45 degree equal to cos 45 degree equal to 1 upon root 2, tan 45 degree is equal to cot 45 degree equal to 1, cosec 45 degree equal to sec 45 degree equal to root 2, sin 90 is equal to cosec 90 equal to 1, cos 90 equal to cot 90 degree equal to 0. Complementary of trigonometric ratio have same value. Sin 30 equal to cos 30 equal to cos 60 equal to 1 upon 2, sin 60 is equal to cos 30 equal to root 3 upon 2, tan 30 equal to cot 60 equal to 1 upon root 3, tan 60 equal to cot 30 equal to root 3, cosec 30 equal to sec 60 equal to 2, cosec 60 equal to sec 30 equal to 2 upon root 3. Also these are also complementary ratio. Sin 45 equal to cos 45 1 upon root 2, tan 45 equal to cot 45 equal to 1, cosec 45 equal to sec 45 equal to root 2. And also we can explain sin 90 minus theta equal to cos theta, cos 90 minus theta equal to sin theta, tan 90 minus theta equal to cot theta, cot 90 minus theta equal to tan theta, sec 90 minus theta equal to cosec theta, cosec 90 minus theta equal to sec theta. And the main identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1, sec square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1, cosec square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1, sin theta into cosec theta equal to 1, cos theta into sec theta equal to 1, tan theta into cot theta equal to 1, tan theta equal to sin theta upon cos theta, cot theta equal to cos theta upon sin theta. So learn these identity. Thank you.